Hi everyone, it's Deb. So I made the last 3 cards from my kit today, my paper pumpkin kit, and just want to show you what I have left. I have lots of the vellum leaves yet left. I clearly did not look at the part that said you could use 4 green and 2 of the like frosted ones on each card. Some of the earlier cards I only used 1 or 2. So yeah, I have lots of those left, but that's okay with me. Obviously I have the stamp set. I used every single stamp. These are clean but stained. So yeah, I have this many of the big dimensionals left over here. So you got 75. I probably used like 55 maybe. I have one of these labels left because one of the cards I didn't use it, and I have tons of the pink flamingo with silver twine left. I'm not going to unspool it. So let me show you the last 3 cards that I made. Let me move these out of the way. Oops. Okay, so the first one I did, now I don't have Blackberry Bliss paper, but I do have, it's called, what is it called? Fresh Fig, which is one of the in color papers from 2017 to 19, and I thought that was pretty close. And I also have the designer series paper for the in color, and this is the Fresh Fig. So you see, you get, when you get those, you get I think 4 sheets of each of the colors in that in color. So there's Berry Burst, Lemon Lime Twist, the pink one. I forget what it's called. Anyway, you get the idea. So I used one of the pieces out of the DSP, and that's the stripes, which on the reverse is polka dots. I fussy cut again the card that, let me show you. Well, if I can find one that isn't cut, I'll show you. Okay. This one. I fussy cut this out, but I didn't cut it as close this time. And then I used my light Pool Party Stampin' Blend and just went around it wherever it was white. And I thought that made it look like sky in the background. I did stamp out in Fresh Fig because I have that ink pad. That was one of my 10 free ones in July, when I became a demonstrator in July. Stamped that out, put 2 green and 1 clear frosted, I guess it is, of the leaves down here popping up. And I had bought these butterflies. This is not a Stampin' Up product. I had bought these at Dollar Tree the other day, and I used the purple one because I thought it matched the Fresh Fig beautifully. So that's the outside, and then the white part of this, other half of the card, I put inside, and I stamped it with the one I hadn't used until then, which looks like a little heart. It's this one right here. You can see, I don't know. Anyway, you can see it on the card. And I stamped that in Fresh Fig. So that is the first one. And I also stamped it on the envelope there and just here. So that is the first one that I made, or the 7th one, I should say. And then the next one, this time I didn't cut it out. I just did all around the white in Pool Party, light Pool Party. And I think that looks beautiful with the light blue in the background. I love the Pool Party color, both the light and the dark. Anyway, I did trim a 1/4 inch off, 1/8 over here, an 1/8 over here, and an 1/8 up here, and an 1/8 up here. So that I had a 1/4 inch all around, but I didn't want to take too much from any one side, and even with that, this little leaf here got cut off, just the tippy tip of it. So then I put it on Berry Burst this time, which is an in color also. I used one of my Pearlized white doilies, which are these. You have Pearlized doilies, you get a pack of 24. And I used, I think, 2 green and 1 frosted here, and 2 green and 1 frosted down here, and I did use the pink flamingo twine with the silver in it going in the opposite corners there. And I also went around the label with the pool party just around the outside of the silver, and I think that makes it pop a little more. And that's stamped in Berry Burst. And on the inside I did sort of the abstract petals. I went around the outside of the card in the Lemon Lime Twist. Used Berry Burst for the abstract flowers. Used Lemon Lime Twist for the centers again. And I think that came out pretty, very pretty. And I used the pink envelope this time with that same abstract flower just there and there. I hope you were seeing that. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful card, if I may say so myself. And then this last one, I had one that had the flowers all around. So I did, actually, this was my second to last one. Anyway, I used fresh fig, and I just used a 1 3/4 inch scallop punch I had in my stash, and then I used Lovely Lipstick over here. This is Lovely Lipstick ribbon as well, which seems to be coming undone somehow. I had to put another little glue dot in there. I used Lovely Lipstick to stamp out Thinking of You, and I used the other little stamp I hadn't really used before, which is this one right here. And did put it on 4 times. Lovely Red Bow, and an Old Olive doily. I really have to get another pack of these because I love the Old Olive ones in particular. It's this one here. This is the one that has 6 each: Coastal Cabana, Flirty Flamingo, Grapefruit Grove, and Old Olive. And so I put the scallops down sort of in a circular pattern with the 2 fresh fig on top and the Lovely Lipstick here. Then I put the doily down. Then I just put the frosted, 2 frosted vellum pieces, one in that side and one here, and then the ribbon up here to match the Lovely Lipstick here, which isn't the perfect color match for the card, but I think it goes okay. And on the inside I just did 4 corners with that these little things. So I thought that came out cute, and the envelope is those little things as well in the corners. So those are my last 3 alternate cards from the card kit, and I hope you like them. I think they turned out pretty. Let me know what your favorite is. I don't know, it's a toss-up for me between the one with the butterfly and this one. But they're all, I think, beautiful, but beautiful products to work with. And yeah, I really enjoyed making the kit this month, and I finished, like I said, up everything but what I showed you. I did completely finish the glue dot strip. In fact, I pulled out one from another kit I hadn't used any of, and I used 4 of those. So when you buy the glue dots from Stampin' Up, they come in a roll. And the box might be different now, but this is what it comes like, and I do prefer that because you can just pull this off and stick your stuff down. This one you have to sort of scrape them up either with your fingernail or a tool or some kind, but I'm storing them in with my other ones, so I'm trying to use the paper pumpkin ones up first. And that's it, guys. That's my little share for you right now, and I hope you enjoyed it. And it goes to show you can use things, even if you don't have the right colors, you can use things and make it work. I think I made it work pretty well. Alright, let me know what you think. Give me your comments down below, please. If you do like them, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, please just be nice and don't comment or thumbs down or anything. I have apparently a hater or 2 out there who have been actually coming back and unliking things they liked before and also doing thumbs down. So I'm sorry if I upset somebody, but you're not going to get to me. So just, if you don't want to watch my videos or don't like what you see, move on. Go somewhere else. and have a good day. All right. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will put links below to all the products I used in this video, and I hope you'll consider, if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming by and signing up for Paper Pumpkin. I've mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again. The next one in September is going to be Something Spooky This Way Comes. Now that said, if you're a person that does not like Halloween at all and you are a participant in Paper Pumpkin, you can just suspend for 1 month, not cancel your subscription, and then it'll pick up again the following month. So if you prefer to do that, you can. If you love Halloween or like it and would like some nice goodies for Halloween, including a stamp set and a Stampin' Spot and whatever else comes in the back package, please subscribe, and there's a link directly to Paper Pumpkin that would give me credit for it down below. It's $19.95 a month plus tax. It includes shipping. So that shipping comes off the $19.95 for us to get credit. We only get credit for $14.95, just so you know. But you're getting the deal there, $19.95 for everything you get. It's a good deal. Okay? And I really thoroughly enjoyed this month. I wanted to use it up right away, make all these wonderful cards, because it's got beautiful colors in it. And honestly, I don't have room to store these little cute orange boxes in my studio craft room, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I still have to finish up the other two. The July one was my first order, and then I got the February one, which is also like note cards. I want to finish that one up next. The July one has some things in it I think I'll be using for another project, but not yet. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. I know your time is important to you too. Have a wonderful Sunday and a great week. Bye for now.